가야 돼. 마늘이 또 어디 갔지? 딴 거도.
Zoopla make money. We just didn't do that. I was in this position of being able to influence and educate. You know, we had 26 teams at one point, like, so it's like 25 or 30 p.m.
It's fate ending up in this place. I guess that I will never know. While I look over silver breeze whispers to me, a tale from a long time ago. Still in the air. Something broke, something cool awoke. Our fire got mixed up with tears. Now I sit by the ocean alone with you. Losing it almost feels like you're right here.
For inviting me again.
And we tried to have this conversation before when we were at Pandemonium, but it was so busy and crazy. And so we were like, let's just do this.
Do you remember that kiss by the sea?
이건 팝콘 보면 되실 때?
It feel a lot more relatable, I guess, because it's not just striving for something, it's more like literally.
Can't wait to text you that I'm outside. Then get you home safe like I did
Case
last
study that we
night.
have. So I mentioned we have different types of users, so different types of learners. So we, in a very broad category, we have apprenticeships.
It's so nice to go outside with you You can do it. You can do it. You can do anything you want if you just put your heart into it. You can do it. If you can dream it. You can be anything you want to be if you can just believe it. If you wanna be a dancer or a lawyer or an astronaut, that's cool. Or if you wanna ride a bike or write a song or run a marathon, it's up to you. All you gotta do is look in the mirror, repeat the words, baby I love you and you're looking good. You got the power, you got the soul, you got it under control. You can do it, you can do it. You can do anything you want if you just put your heart into it. You can do it, if you can dream it. You can be anything you wanna be if you can just believe in you. Oh, I believe in you. You could be a mathematician, a magician, or a vet, rock musician, electrician. You could learn to fly a jet. First envision what you're wishing till it's real inside your head, and then you take a deep breath and take one step. You can do it, you can do it. You can do anything you want if you just put your heart into it. You can do it, if you can dream it. You can be anything you wanna be if you can just believe in you. sometimes that's just part of life. Oh, and if you brush your
All about turning drama into power, which sounds very exciting because we all know that there can be lots of drama at work. And yeah, we'll get stuck into that in a minute. Give us a quick intro to who you are and your background in.
어이구 올라니. 어이구 신났다.
you can do it. You can do anything you want if you just put your heart into it. You can do it.